Hello everyone, my name's Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm continuing on with our video series, Ask the Flooring Pro. I think today is episode number 4, and the question that has been posed to us is, can you install vinyl plank flooring over carpet? As you may or may not know, vinyl plank flooring is one of the hottest products in the floor covering world. It is really in just about every store across the country. In fact, if you go into pretty much any floor covering store and look in their showroom, a very large percentage of their showroom space is going to be dedicated to vinyl plank flooring. So we have a lot of customers that come in and say, hey, I've got a carpet in this room. I just want to buy some click together vinyl plank. Can I install it right over the carpet and avoid taking it up and all the demolition work? And the answer to your question is no. You should not do that at all. I've seen it done before, but it's not going to be covered in the warranty. So if you put vinyl plank over carpet, your warranty is going to be void. And if you have any issues at all with the product, which you probably will if you install it over carpet, you're just going to be out of luck because the product is not going to be covered under your warranty. And the problem is with carpet, if you install the vinyl plank over carpet, it's just a squishy feel under the carpet. It's not stable, and the vinyl plank is going to move and come apart. So to make a long story short, the answer to the question is, can you install vinyl plank over carpet? Yeah, you can, but it's not gonna be covered under the warranty, and it's not the way to properly install your plank. I'm sorry, but you're going to need to take that carpet up, take the pad up, take the tack strip up, and then install your vinyl plank. So thank you very much. And again, if this is the first video that you're watching in this series, what we're doing is we're hosting a lot of videos called Ask the Flooring Pro, and we get questions that get asked us all the time about everything in floor covering. It could be product questions, maintenance and cleaning tips, how to save money, you name it, we get asked a question. So what we decided to do was to take each question that we get asked, make a really quick video about it, post it on our website for everybody to see, and you can go to Ask the Flooring Pro on our website for kind of the library of all these videos. And if you have a question, as we get more and more posted, odds are you'll probably get your answer on our site. So please visit us at bestrugprices.com. We'd love for you to even ask us a question, and we'll make a video about it. Thanks.